Okay, hello everyone, respected chairperson, distinguished reviewers, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Reviona Ananda Dewi and I'm from Faculty Economic and Business from UTINUS, Universitas Januswantoro, Indonesia. Today I'm pleased to present my research entitled um, Extending the Technology Acceptance Model to explain Generation Z intention to use Primo mobile banking in Indonesia. So thank you for giving me the opportunity. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Okay, here's my presentation. First, about the background and problems. So let me begin with the background of this study. In recent years, digital banking adoption has grown rapidly in Indonesia. Among the available mobile banking applications, Primo has become one of the leading digital banking in Indonesia. Generation Z is one of the most active users of digital banking because they are familiar with smartphones and digital technology. However, being familiar with technology does not always mean they will continue using a mobile banking application. So previous studies mainly use the technology acceptance model or TAM. We say in regular like TAM, okay, TAM, which explains technology adoption through two main factors. One is perceived usefulness, and the second is perceived ease of use. So, however, I believe these two factors alone are not enough to explain Generation Z behavior. Therefore, this study investigates whether trust, self-efficacy, and enjoyment can improve the technology acceptance model in explaining Generation Z intention to use premium. So based on this research problem, the objective of this study is to investigate the factors influencing Generation Z intention to use Primo by extending the technology acceptance model with three additional variables. It's trust, self-efficacy, and enjoyment. To achieve this objective, I used to uh, I use a quantitative research approach. So data were collected through an online questionnaire from 220 Generation Z respondents who had experience using Primo. The respondents were selected using purposive sampling, and the data uh, were analyzed using BLS SEM with Smart BLS software. Okay, the slide presents the proposed research model. In this model, you can see at the PPT, trust, self-efficacy, and enjoyment are proposed to influence um, perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. Then, just two variables influence Generation Z intention to use Primo. Overall, this study proposed 8 hypotheses, and all of them are tested using BLSM analysis. So here's the result and discussion. A key finding is all proposed hypotheses were supported. First is trust, influence PAOU, MPU, then self-efficacy, influence PEOU, MPU, enjoyment influence PEOU and PU, and also PEOU and PU influence intention to use. Moving to the result, I'm pleased to report that the analysis show all the variable, which means trust, efficiency, and enjoyment all have significant positive effect on both perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. In addition, perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness both significantly influence Generation Z intention to use Primo. These findings indicate that both functional factors and psychological factors play important roles in mobile banking adoption. Second is interpretation. So let me explain the findings in more detail. First, trust helps user feel that Primo is secure and reliable. When users trust the application, they are more likely to perceive it as useful and easy to use. Second, self-efficacy reflects users' confidence in using technology. So users with higher confidence and tend to find the application easier to operate and more beneficial. And the third is enjoyment, improve the overall user experience and has the strongest influence on perceived usefulness. This suggests the Generation Z values not only functionally but also a pleasant and engaging digital experience. Finally, perceived usefulness is the strongest predictor of intention to use Primo with a PET coefficient of 0.574. This means that user continue using Primo mainly because they believe it provides real benefit in their daily financial activities. And this study provides both theoretical and practical implications. First, from theoretical perspective, this research extends the technology acceptance model by integrating psychological and experiential factors, namely trust, self-efficacy, and enjoyment. And then the proposed model also demonstrates strong explanatory power, explaining 89.3% of the variation in Generation Z intention to use Primo. So from a practical perspective, we also know that banking institutions should focus on improving the usefulness of their application, strengthening security, enhancing the user experience, and increasing customer confidence. These strategies can encourage more users, especially Generation Z, to continue using mobile banking services. Okay, in conclusion, the study showed that extending the technology acceptance model provides a better understanding of Generation Z intention to use Primo. Among all of the variables, perceived usefulness was identified as the strongest predictor of intention of use, while trust, self-efficacy, and enjoyment significantly strengthened technology acceptance. Thank you very much for your attention today. So I will be happy to answer any question or receive your valuable comments in the next chapter. Thank you.